On today's menu, an easy and delicious recipe that's top dog. Gordon Ramsay inspired sausage hot pot. Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now, I am a big Gordon Ramsay fan. There's definitely no doubt about that there. His recipes and his approach and just the raw simplicity of his approach is really just amazing. And he does it with style. Now, this recipe is so easy to make and it's super delicious. Slice 2 red onions. Half a pound of mushrooms. In this episode, I'm using cremini mushrooms. You can also use button mushrooms. Now, these are Beyond Meat sausages. I recently just discovered them and they are absolutely delicious. Slice the sausages in half or leave them whole. Preheat your oven to 350. Sauté pan. Medium heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Sausages. Sear the sausages for about a minute on each side. Remove the sausages and add in your onions. Generous pinch of pink salt. Sauté for 5 to 6 minutes. 1 tablespoon cane sugar. Now in his recipe he uses brown sugar, but I don't have any. But that sugar is just going to help those onions really get nice and caramelized. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. Gonna add some amazing fresh thyme. Couple sprigs of thyme. Mushrooms. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes, then add back in the sausages. One and a half cups red wine. Turn up the heat and let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Bake in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. While we wait for that to cook, I want to thank you very much for checking out my vegan ramen cookbook. And of course, you can check out more information about this in the link above or a link in the description box below. Thank you very much for supporting this small cooking channel in the vast world of YouTube. And for that, I'm very grateful and very humbled. And I also want to thank you very much for your extended patience. I know and I realize that you've been waiting a very long time because of postal delays depending on the country and where you live. So thank you very much for that. Now, shameless plug over, let's check out that amazing hot pot. Be extra careful because that handle is really hot. Parsley. You can now make the sausage hot pot Gordon Ramsay style with absolute confidence. That really just smells amazing. that is so packed with flavor. Really, really delicious. And that red wine just really brings everything together, gives it a lot of body. The caramelized onions, nice and sweet, a little bit of acidity from that balsamic vinegar, a little salty, a lot of flavor from those sausages that just really absorbs all of that incredible flavor. That is really delicious, my goodness. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.